Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Today is on the second. Oh, the 2nd of March. It's a new month. Just started the first Monday. It's been a crazy weekend. A lot of things, geopolitical tension going on. There's a lot of war going on out there, man. I think right now it's crazy. I mean, I woke up and I took gold from this point. I didn't really buy it from this point because I knew it's gonna open with a gap and it's gonna push up. So I was waiting for a DAO for a creation of a law. And from this point, I took gold. I took gold from this point. I actually took it from this point after this candle closed like this, more than 50% of this. I took buy and then stop loss just down here. And I'm actually in it still now. My first take profit will be about at this point, almost hitting. But then again, I also look at trying to push a bit higher. I'm also looking at to see if we can go maybe to 54,400 to 5400 over there, and yeah, see how it goes. It's gonna go. Most probably gonna be having a bullish week because of the U.S., Israel, Iran war going on. Yeah, too much. That's basically what happens whenever there's an issue with when I just put in so whenever there's an issue in the political world or the geopolitical situations, they usually make gold go up. Let's see. So it's gonna keep on going. Just let's see. First of all, I wanna check on, yeah, you can see it's the headline over there. It's the headline over here. Monday, 2nd March. We only have the PMI on the USD at 6 p.m. But then again, remember there's a lot of this Trump on the run. Uh, all of this has to you gotta need to check on this, yeah, because should Iran want to retaliate, it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna take, but you know what we're gonna do. Let's do our technical analysis transaction based on market structure. Okay, so we're gonna start all the way from monthly, and then we go give a pole as we go. Okay. All right. So we start with this is my weekly low. To be honest, I'm gonna take this as a weekly low. The monthly, sorry, monthly low. It's the previous month's low. Previous month's high as well. It's over here. Okay, we move down to weekly. Onto the weekly, I'm gonna be observing. There's this area over here. Market's been, sorry, the market's been dodging over here on the weekly side. I'll call this a weekly low. See this point where the body is and that's Kazon over there. All right, the height is on the same point. That's why my take profit is over there. Daily, we have this low formation over here. Low formation. The high just got broken and now we're pushing up. So you that's the first point that we're waiting for the market to hit and see how it behaves. Um, we go down, down, down. You can take this as 4 hours low and 4 hours high over here. Previous candle over here, right? It's gonna be crazy analysis. I know. You just watch and learn over there. So 1 hour, 1 hour analysis over there. Yes. Here we go down to 30 minutes. Now here's the catch. Here's the thing that you're gonna be looking at over here. Yeah? On 30 minutes, this is what we're looking at over here. All right, we need this low to be broken so that we can continue going down. The highs are just the same. All right. So what basically you're looking for is a sell below. You could start taking sales over here and drive them all the way down to this point because that's where you'll be covering the gap again. But let's see, something like that, right? Come down, we give you a space up here, and we see potential buys about this point. Potential buys about here. I'm gonna get a candle closing above that point. I'm gonna take a buy, and then potential sales below here as well. I'll take some sales from this point. And these sales I'll be anticipating to close the gap, to be honest. I'm gonna be anticipating to fill this gap. See, there's a gap over here. Now, you can also set a buy limit from this point. That's how we trade gold, right? That's how we trade gaps. Right, so stop loss over here. Need to hit there at the first place, and then probability is continue pushing up. Right, that's the best case scenario. Worst case scenario is some stuff comes in the market and makes the market actually well, it's hard to recover. You see, New York, the US economy hasn't yet opened. It's gonna open 3 p.m. Kenyan time, so they're still there. So it means you will see all the effects hitting the dollar coming in from 3 p.m., 3, 4 p.m. over there. It's going to be crazy. So watch out for New York session today. You may get yourself hit. Also watch out for, no, I don't really think the London session is going to have a lot of, but anyway, it's one of the biggest economy as well. So yeah, plus they're allies with to Iran. So Britain, I saw there's somewhere they chose side for the Iran side. So let's see how it goes. I don't know if those are real news or hoax or whatever. Right now, you can create your own news that looks legit with AI and just post them online. So a post that was saying that Britain took Iran side in the war. So I'm not so sure if it's legit or it's just people making it. See, right now it's so easy to drive the fear. Such news headline can drive fear in the market and make the market move. Yeah, manipulate the market a bit. All right. So here we are. If I get a break below this point, I may want to sell. This will be the first sell target down here. I want to close this gap. But then again, at the same point, I'm gonna set a buy limit, right? I'm gonna set the same point. I'm gonna put it over here and say that that's gonna be another area whereby I'm gonna put a buy limit. Buy limit and well, you could put the buy limit here or here. Either way, let me show you. Either way you can work. So I'm gonna clone that one. Yes, both of those areas can work for you. It depends with what you're looking at. Yeah, because sometimes the market can come just at this point and then go back. So you know what? Actually, I'll set them there and then put my stop loss just a bit far. Yeah. So that is how we're gonna be looking at the market today. This is what I'm looking at. This is what I'm waiting for to see how the market is gonna happen. It's gonna be an interesting week. Keep safe, everybody. Let's trade well, risk manage your accounts well, trade what you see, not what you think, and boom. Let's meet in the evening as we do tomorrow in the morning, as we do a review of the same and see how the market's gonna move. Yeah. Beware about the New York session today. It's gonna open with uh a lot of push or a lot of volatility in the market. Yeah. Take care, everybody. Have a good one. Bye bye.